Recently, I was speaking to a group of business owners, and one of the attendees said jokingly, but yet seriously, said, I don't know the last time I even looked at my business plan. That comment stopped all the conversation in the room. And then another attendee stated, then how do you know if you're on track towards your goals and if you're staying true to why you started the business? True mic drop moment. Many business owners put a lot of time and effort into creating a business plan, and now it sits on a shelf or in a drawer collecting dust. Or maybe you had an executive business plan that you used to entice potential investors, or a managerial business plan to pitch your business to those investors, or maybe even a fully operational business plan that is your true business blueprint, and it maps out and shows you the way to achieve your business goals. No matter what type of business plan you created, you should always review it at least on an annual basis at a minimum. Publications such as Entrepreneur, Forbes, Inc., and many others recommend that you should be conducting a thorough update of your business plan a minimum of once a year. Many businesses review their annual business plan every month to make sure that they're staying on the path that they laid out for the business and make any necessary adjustments along the way. We did that in one of our businesses. I turned it around and boy, did it make an impactful difference with all the departments. By reviewing the business plan every month, every department actually exceeded the plan every month. It has been said that Apple actually has their business plans out 3 years in advance, and they update their plans every 60 to 90 days. This way, they're adaptable to market trends, technology, consumer behaviors, regulations, and so much more. Updating your business plan regularly can help you ensure that you and your partners or co-owners are on the same page if there are multiple owners in the business. So when those major changes occur in your company or in your industry, it's also a good time to update that business plan. Your plan needs to reflect the current situation, and it needs to be relevant to your current business landscape in which you are operating. So if something major has changed, then you've got to make that update to the plan and accommodate for that shift. Keeping your business plan updated is vital because no company can succeed unless it stays current with the times and it needs to evolve. The goals that you have for your organization will be different from when you first started the business to when your goals are already like a year, 2, 3 years down the road. Your plan needs to reflect the latest goals and that you hope that your company will accomplish so you have a clear and measurable objectives to work towards. It's going to help you identify new competitors, potentially new sources of business, and allows you to see your company progressing with enhancing profitability over time. And remember, folks, business plans are a living document. They need to be revised every so often to ensure that they're still relevant. In this way, you can continue to use and benefit from the strategies and tactics. You probably prepared the original business plan yourself, since you were probably the only employee. But now if you've grown your business, maybe you've added staff, and you've involved them so there's some buy-in to it. That way, when it's time to implement the plan, your staff is going to be on board and the activities will go so much smoother. So pull out that business plan, review it, and update it to make sure it's current to meet your future needs for your business. If you have any questions or you need a little help on your business plan and updating it, please let us know. We will have our contact information below. We want you to succeed in business. This is Biz Coach Steve Feld, wishing you and your business much success.